money when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the floor. Make it rain, make it pour.
Hi my loves, welcome back to another video. It is your girl Moya. For those of you who don't know my name, yes, my name is Moya. I just want to come on here and show you guys what I'm going to have going on the website for July 4th. July 4th, I've been talking about this sale for a little bit, but I just wanted to show you guys because I do have some new arrivals. So I wanted to show you guys the new arrivals, and I wanted to let you guys know all about the sale that I'll be putting on for July 4th. I must say that the sale begins July 1st, which is this weekend. It's gonna be the 4th of July weekend, as people will call it. So I decided, I was like, let me just start the sale now and then just bring it all the way back to 4th of July, and then 11:59 on 4th of July. Then what I'll do is I'll end the sale at that time. So you guys will have Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday to make your purchase for whatever it is that you want to purchase. I also want to let you guys know that I have made a few changes to a few things on the website. So the first change that I did, I spoke about it a little bit on my community post, but you know, not everyone sees the community post, so I feel like I have to mention it again in the video. So when it comes on to shipping on my website, there was a $2 shipping cost that I feel like was cost efficient for a lot of people. We have to remember we are in the budgeting world. That's what I thought. I was like, we're budgeting. If you really think about it, people won't have that money to really kind of dish out all that money and stuff like that on shipping. So I was like, I saw the $2 option. You can get that for, you know, between a certain amount of ounces weight of package. And I was like, well, this would be nice for especially my low income people who wouldn't be able to afford certain things. So I offered you guys a $2 shipping option. But then I realized that a few customers, or a few of you guys, sent me an email asking when is my package gonna be here, what's the tracking number and stuff like that. But with the $2 shipping, it doesn't come with a tracking number. It's like a cheaper, you know, option for the shipping. So whenever I ship it out, it will just tell me like how many business days it will get to the customer, but it doesn't provide a tracking number for you guys. So I was trying to give you guys that option because, you know, it's $2. But then I realized too many people, you know, we as people, we like to track our packages and stuff. So I will no longer be doing the $2 shipping option. Shipping starts at $4.90 and up. So majority of the time your packages will come to around $4.50, $4.90, $5, $6, $7, $8, all depends on how many things you order. So it's going to be the shipping price no longer $2, starting at $4.90. Next, I want to talk about the coloring book. So with the coloring book, I am going to have a coloring book with envelope option, but I'm no longer doing the laminated envelopes for the coloring book. I'm now going to do the regular plastic envelopes. I'm just going to order a bunch of those, and if you order the coloring book with envelopes, then you will get the plastic envelopes, the regular plastic envelopes. You might get the ones with the zipper, or you might get the ones without the zipper. But I'm no longer going to be doing the custom laminated envelopes for the coloring book. You'll be able to buy the dashboard and the challenges without the binder. So I'm going to make that an option. If you guys will just, you know, probably you have a binder you like, or you have a certain theme color, then you can just purchase the dashboard along with the challenges that goes with that specific dashboard, or you can purchase the dashboard, the challenges with the envelopes. So now those are going to be an option for you if you have different theme for your little setup, and my gold or my rose gold binders are not working for your theme, then you'll be able to purchase that by itself. And last but not least, another thing that I changed was the challenges. I now have the laminated option and the not laminated option. I don't know if it's non-laminated, I don't know the word for it, but not laminated and laminated is the options that you have for all the challenges that you have to purchase, that you want to purchase on the website. But now I'm going to show you guys all the new items, and the sale is live. So the sale starts now. So if you guys go on the website, the sale starts now. The sale is 35% off your entire order. 4th of July sale starts now. Get over there. So let's talk about the new products. I want to slide this to the side so I can show y'all one by one. So we have the mini emergency binder. It has, the only difference with this binder is white. It's not pink. So on the edge of it is going to be white, but it's the mini emergency saving challenge, and this sheet shows you what amount of money will be on each envelope inside this binder. So this is one of the binders that are new. I liked this idea because, you know, we all need to have an emergency fund, and I felt like doing a little mini one for low income people. You know, my channel's a little low income, so I'm kind of catering for my lower income people. So we have the little mini emergency saving challenge. Next we have, I love this, I feel like it's so spontaneous. This is my mental health self-care mini box, and what this is, it is, let me open it up. So it includes self-care, a self-care challenge basically. So stuff for you to do on a daily basis, self-care stuff for you to do on a daily basis basically. So what you do is you dip into the box and you pick a card, and whatever that card says that you have to do for self-care today, you'll have to do that for your self-care, is basically what that is. So this is what my card says. Hey loves, I've decided to do this little self-care box because I too need to detox and get away from life a little sometimes. I hope I was able to help you in some way. So it comes with a little card on the top, and inside the box you will open the box and you'll just pick a random card, and whatever that card says, that's what you'll need to do for self-care on that particular day. So see, this one says drink herbal tea, so you'll have to drink some herbal tea that day. So basically it is my little mini self-care box. It's for mental health, build self-confidence, make you feel better about yourself, and just basically help you to take care of you. And this is what it looks like. It's just a mini acrylic box, and it has, I think it's 40 self-care challenges inside this little Wingy box. So that's one of the new stuff. The next new thing that I have is the monthly saving challenge bundle. And with this saving challenge bundle, we have the 12 months of the year. As y'all can see, this is January. We're saving $125 for January, and those are the amounts that you will put down. So these are 12 for the 12 months. It doesn't matter if the year hasn't like just started. You can start off from whatever month you are in, July, and you could just continue all the way. So this is one of the new things, the monthly saving challenges. Remember, you can get these laminated or not, your choice. Next things next that I can't wait to talk about, the pregnancy binder. Yes, you heard me. I've came up with a binder for pregnant women who are about to have a child. See, it says baby on the way. It's just a good way to help you guys to save up for, you know, what's coming. So we have these, of course, are going to be in envelopes. So you'll get the choice to either purchase the whole binder. That's going to be the binder, the dashboard, the challenges with envelopes, or you can purchase the dashboard and the challenges alone, or you can purchase the dashboard, the challenges, as well as the envelopes. So as y'all can see on the front, it says pregnancy fund. It basically shows every single page inside the binder or inside the bundle. It says doctor's appointment. It also shows you how much money you're saving up for each thing. So this is kind of like a table of content for the binder. And then when you go inside of the binder, see, baby furniture. So there are little challenges for you guys, for all my pregnant mamas out there. Emergency fund. Tell me this isn't cute. And this is just a great idea to help all the pregnant women out there. Just help y'all get on your toes, get yourself together. Formula and baby food, diapers and wipes, baby clothes, mommy needs, because you know throughout the whole pregnancy mommy needs stuff. You know, you need to get your little belly band and all that. So on the front, like I said, it has all the things that are included in the bundle: doctor's appointment, baby clothes, diapers and wipes, formula, baby furniture, emergency, hospital bag, and mommy needs. So this is the pregnancy binder or the pregnancy bundle. You can get this with the binder or without the binder. It's up to you. So we have that going on. Next new thing we have, this is so cute. Oh my god, this is cute. This is the 52 weeks challenge binder, and this is going to be a binder. It's no option to have this without a binder. This is a binder, okay? So this is a 52-week challenge. So this comes with 3-part envelopes. You see how these envelopes are divided into 3 parts? So it comes with a 3-part envelope. On each part is going to be numbered from 1 to 52, and that's how you'll save up for the 52-week challenge. So this is the 52-week binder. I love the design. It is super cute to me. I'm so in love. So this is another thing that's new. I didn't put it together. I just, you know, made the dashboard so I could just show y'all what it would look like in the binder. Next, we have the 3K saving challenge. So this is for all my goody goodies who want to save $3,000. It is in sections, as y'all can see. So we have section 1 through 12, and then these are the challenges. So if you purchase the bundle, it will come with the binder, the challenges, and the envelopes, and the dashboard. If you want to purchase the dashboard and the challenges alone, you can. If you want to purchase the dashboard, the challenges, and the envelopes, you can. But this is basically the 3K challenge. It comes in, I divided it up in sections, and each section has its own amount, as y'all can see. And the sections are from 1 to 12. So that's it. That's the 3K savings. I think this batch of new arrivals are super cute. I don't know what y'all think, but I think I did such a great job designing these things. They are too cute. Last but not least, yes, I made another book. Real Baddie Save Up. Real Baddie Save Up. Ay. Real Baddie Save Up. So this is another book. This is a saving challenge book. Starts with a little intro from me. After the intro, it goes over into the table of content, showing you guys all the challenges that's in it. We have emergency fund, let's take a trip, let's go shopping, going out, Christmas, 100 envelope challenge, spa day, $5 saving, $10 saving, $15 saving, birthday fund, fill the money jar, month ahead, color and save, self-care, big money savings, jackpot, and challenge yourself. And I'll just show y'all a little glimpse of what's going on in the book. This is the emergency fund page. As y'all can see, each of the emergency briefcases are $20. This, for the emergency fund, you'll save $1,000. Let's see. We have let's take a trip. This is suitcases, flip-flops, passports, planes, sun hats, and these are mixed amounts, but at the end you'll save $1,000. We have let's go shopping. Save $600 to go on a little fun shopping spree. Going out fund, just going out to fancy restaurants and whatever, a total of $500. Christmas, a total of $1,000. $5 savings. Wait, I'm missing a page. 100 envelope. How am I missing this? So we have the 100 envelope. We have $5 savings. Save $500. Save $780. My bad. We have the $10 savings. We have the $20 saving. We have the birthday saving, which is each of these is $25 each. Save $2,000 for your birthday. Fill the jar, so you can fill up the jar. It's $15 each. Month ahead. With the month ahead, each heart you get to choose how much you want the heart to be. So on this page, what you will do is you will calculate all your bills and you will divide it up between however much you can handle, and you'll put each heart is that amount, or if you want to do mixed amounts, it's up to you. But I left this blank because everyone's bill situation is different, so you guys get to calculate and put what you want each heart to be. We have the self-care challenge. Each lips is 20 bucks. We have jackpot. Each of these are 25. We have challenge yourself. Each of these are 25. And we have the big money savings, which, like the name, big money, each of these are $50. So you will challenge yourself for this. So all these are new items on the website. You guys can go check them out. I won't kill y'all on the price. The book, actually, I think I will price the book at 25 bucks. Real simple, real cheap. You know, real affordable. Make sure you catch the sale. A lot of people texted me and said, last time I didn't catch the sale, yada, yada, yada. Make sure you guys catch the sale, okay? Catch this 4th of July sale. Save 35% on your entire order. And we have some new arrivals. If there's anything that you guys like, get into it. But thank you guys for watching this video. It was my pleasure to come on here and talk to you guys. I love talking to y'all very much. And I just want to say, catch the sale, and I'll see y'all in the next video.
I used to work the dead way. I figured I could maybe pave a way. No, it's niggas that count